Let's start. Oh my gosh. Wait, it's my first day of school. I'm gonna tell my sister. Sis, you wanna go to school? Hey sis. Sis. Oh yes. What do you want? You wanna go to school? Of course I can. How can I be smart if I don't? You'll go to bath first. Okay. I'll just he's so nice. We both are coughing. Gosh. Wait, I can towel wet. Suck. Try again. Bath. It's your turn. Okay, I'm gonna go ready. Get ready. The key. Wait, I forgot my backpack. Oh, never mind. Wait, I gotta check all my objects, assignments. Oh, I didn't finish the science yet. I'll go check the science when I arrive to school. Just check even more. Ooh, homework. Why am I coughing so loud? Okay, just gently sneeze. Achoo. Says I think I'm sick. You're not sick. Okay. You don't look like you're sick. Just gonna sit here. I'm just gonna stand here. Let's go. Oh, right. Hey, my favorite fidget is here. I love my favorite fidget. It's so relaxing. Just put it back here. Let's go. Okay. See, I'm coughing. I think I'm sick. No, you're not. You're just coughing, you're sneezing. Where are your servants? I technically got the science. Okay. Sit right next to the silly friend. Oh, not the silly friend again. Sit next to him. He never has a friend. Hey, silly friend. Oh, hey. I'm never gonna be silly anymore. Listen, that's so nice. Do you have a pen? I'll tell the teacher. Hey, teacher. She said you have a pen. I don't have a pen. But why are you holding it? My sister's wallet. I'm kind of talking the same. Okay. I think we're all talking. Okay. I'm gonna put this in here, okay? Okay, bud. Where's my assignment? Okay. There's so many. Not my problem. How many did you get? 100. Cool. I can figure out that funny that we're gonna turn into an old man. Yeah. I think I'm gonna throw up. Huh? What do you mean you're gonna throw up? Oh wait, never mind. Let's go our assignments now. Halfway there. A few hours later, I'm hurting my foot here. So we're done. Leave it. Hey, Steve, how did you get all of the tests all done? My sister teach me. Yeah, I'm so smart. Good girl. For teaching your brother, I'm gonna give you a fluffy, my dog. Oh, can I teach you? Just fetch my keeping room. Alright. Oh, cute. Can I? Of course can. Oh, so cute. I'll see you later, okay? I'm gonna do all my work. More coffee, too? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go now. Bye. Bye. Oh my god. Oh, come. Come with me. People. I'll sit right here. Here's my wallet. Okay. Hi, can we get... what do you want, sis? I want some jelly beans with the donut one. Okay. And I want oh, coughing day to me. And yeah, it's a coughing day. Yeah. So I'll get a cookie, the robot one, and a cup of milk. Okay. Wait, you forgot to pay. Oh yeah, I forgot. First I will do the milk. I'll get the doodle of the milk. Some milk and some cookies. Too, because here you go, sir. Wait, whose cake is this? It's mine, you can eat it. Okay, you were hungry. Yeah, I was hungry. Put the plate back. Oh, thank you. Can I also get can I get a strawberry too, please? Of course. I'll just stand here. Coughing day, yes, sir. Yeah. You wanted a jelly bean with yeah, of course, there's a plate here. Jelly bean with the donut. We cannot. It's fine. Is it fine if you eat this very quick? Oh, of course, sir. Just put my things here. Where's my wallet? Nom nom nom. So nummy. Some strawberry. And those things. Ooh, that's big for sure. We're done, sir. Okay, let's go wait for our friend outside. Okay. No, there's jelly bean. Nom nom. Ew. I forgot it was in the floor. up goes right here. Hey guys. We were waiting for on the outside. Why weren't you in the school? I was in a different school. Oh. Yeah. Why are you holding that soda? You're coughing too? Whoa, it must be the virus day. Yeah. Why did we even go outside? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, everyone's coughing. Excuse me. I heard an owl. Well, hey friend, can you please let the song be different? I don't really like the song. Alright. You like this one? Of course. No. Oh, I hate my life. I even got lost from already. Also, friend. Coughing day, of course. Well, let's go home before the sun goes down. Okay. Wait, your wallet. We didn't bring the key, but good thing no one just robbed us. Yeah. Back. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!